2011 Toyota Camry 4-doors car. This vehicle features the following equipment: automatic, gas I4, 2.5L 152, FWD front-wheel drive, power steering, 4-wheel disc brakes, brake assist, wheel covers, steel wheels, tires front all-season, tires rear all-season, temporary spare tire, automatic headlights, power mirrors, intermittent wipers, variable speed intermittent wipers, AM/FM stereo, CD player, MP3 player, auxiliary audio input, bucket seats, power driver seat, pass-through rear seat, rear bench seat, cloth seats, adjustable steering wheel audio controls, power windows, power door locks, remote trunk release, cruise control, keyless entry, engine immobilizer, AC, rear defrost, power outlet, driver vanity mirror, passenger vanity mirror, front reading lamps, anti